Big stadiums deserve big attention. Whenever you think of AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas, or AT&T Center in San Antonio, your mind might go to the Cowboys and Jerry World, or Tim Duncan and the Spurs. But just as important and just as memorable are the huge, eye-grabbing signs of the building's namesakes that adorn the outer walls. This is Made in America, and we're in Austin, Texas to get a detailed, behind-the-scenes look at how FSG brings these massive signs to life.
Then you're gonna lay out your prints, press the roller down, and he's gonna push the mask on it so that it can then be applied to the product. But it's gotta be laid down with the mask so that when he actually applies it onto the sign itself, and then he's gonna wipe it down and brush all the water out, and then he's gonna peel back the mask, that this is what remains.
And that it stays flush.
What we have here is a mechanical shear. This is from 1954, and it's still operates very nicely.
Be sure to head to MarketScale.com and subscribe to the Made in America channel to watch full episodes, bonus clips, and to stay up to date on all things Made in America.